Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Glamorous Beauty Tips. In today's video, I'm going to show you a beginner's eye makeup for a party or any festival. You can obviously improvise by making changes, adding something I didn't, or removing something that you might not have liked in my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button. Don't forget to share my videos. Comment what video would you like to see next? What video shall I make next? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that big red button to stay updated with every new video that I upload. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful and amazing day. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Take care, everyone.